U.S. headline inflation for the year has dropped to 3%, slightly lower than the expected 3.1%. This marks a 1% decrease from the previous figure and the lowest level in 2 years. Core inflation also came in below expectations at 4.8%, indicating a downward trend. As a result, Bitcoin is trading just below $31,000, and U.S. yields continue to decline, with the DXY index reaching one-year lows. Bitget, a leading crypto derivatives and copy trading platform, has introduced an AI-powered feature for its grid trading strategies. This feature aims to make this advanced investment method more accessible to newcomers in the crypto trading space. Grid trading utilizes algorithms to automate transactions based on predefined price ranges and time intervals, following a buy low, sell high strategy. By eliminating emotional decision-making, grid trading bots save time and enhance effectiveness in volatile cryptocurrency markets. The South Korean government is tightening regulations on the cryptocurrency industry with new asset disclosure rules. The Financial Services Commission, FSC, announced a bill that will require firms issuing or holding cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin to disclose their holdings. This move aims to increase transparency and oversight in the crypto sector. The European Banking Authority, EBA, has requested stablecoin issuers to voluntarily adhere to certain guiding principles on risk management and consumer protection ahead of upcoming regulations. The EBA released measures for public comment to clarify requirements for stablecoin issuance under the Markets in Crypto Assets Regulation, MiCA, set to take effect in 2024. These measures address issues such as perpetual right of redemption and complaint management. Crypto analyst Crypto Caesar has expressed a bullish outlook on XRP, predicting it could reach $10 once regulatory clarity is achieved. Caesar highlighted a significant price movement on the monthly timeframe, with a bullish cross confirmed on the LNACD indicator, suggesting potential growth for XRP. Charles Hoskinson, founder of Cardano, shared updates on the ongoing Edinburgh CIP-1694 workshop. This conference focuses on the Cardano Improvement Proposal, CIP-1694, titled The First Step Towards On-Chain Decentralized Governance. The workshop aims to summarize discussions held in various locations throughout the year concerning the CIP-1694 design. Ripple submitted written evidence to the UK Parliament, highlighting the benefits of XRP and cryptocurrencies to the country. The document discusses the challenges faced by crypto adoption in the UK, addressing regulatory and environmental concerns. The evidence document holds significance in the overall effort to promote XRP and crypto within the country. The crypto industry in the U.S. operates under traditional financial regulations, as there are currently no specific laws governing cryptocurrencies. Many government agencies are under pressure to develop dedicated rules and regulations to ensure the safe and innovative development of the crypto sector. United States Senate Financial Services Committee Chair Ron Wyden and Ranking Member Mike Crapo have reached out to the crypto industry for input on tax measures. They aim to create clearer and more effective tax regulations for digital assets by soliciting public feedback. Bitcoin halving is an event in which the Bitcoin mining reward is reduced by half. Currently, miners receive 6.25 Bitcoin per block, but after the next halving, they will receive 3.12 Bitcoin. This event is expected to occur in the last week of April 2024 and may impact the Bitcoin trade price positively.